Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Snipe-IT on Ubuntu 24.04. Snipe-IT requires a LEMP stack, so you need to install it using the following commands. Next, install PHP Composer using the following command. After the installation is successful, you can proceed to the next step. You will also need to create a database and a user for Snipe-IT. First, connect to the MySQL shell. Once connected, create a database and user with the following command. Next, flush the privileges and exit from the MySQL shell. Now, navigate to the nginx web root directory and use the following command to download the latest version of Snipe-IT. Next, change the directory to Snipe-IT and copy the sample environment file. Then, edit the environment file. Define your app URL, database, and other information. Next, save and close the file, then set proper permissions and ownership. Continue to update and install plugins and other required dependencies. Then, generate the artisan key. You will see the following output. Now, create a new nginx virtual host for Snipe-IT. Add the following configuration. Save the file, then edit the nginx main configuration file. Continue to add the following line. Then, save the file and restart the nginx service to apply the changes. Now, open your web browser and access the Snipe-IT web interface using the following URL. You will see the pre-flight check page. Ensure all required dependencies are installed, then click Next. You will see the following page. Continue clicking Next. Define your site name, email, user, and password, then click Next. You will see the Snipe-IT dashboard. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Snipe-IT on Ubuntu 24.04.